spin!
Okay. I've got to start spinning it. Right, can you hold it?
I can.
Film yourself. Wait! Whoa! I feel really dizzy already. Spin me more! Okay. You need to hold it. I can't. Okay, I don't want it.
My phone.
Hold it! Get too fast! What did you mean? I'll tell my head. Sorry, I just hit your bum then. You don't care. It's moving. I'm moving! It's legs! I can't grab it! Golly! Oh, carry on!
Oh, thank you.
Hold it! I'm going to spin you more. Right, you need to tuck in your legs. Tucking in my legs. Oh my god.
It's not as cool. Oh my god. Feels like a train sideways. Yeah, like a doll. I'm going to smell. There's no way.
Smell. It's going really slowly now.
Yeah, because I thought it was sick. Really loud.
Have I gone green? Have I gone green? No! Okay! Fuck, that hurt. Okay, I'm only doing. Ow! I feel proper sick.
I'm pushing myself.
Fine, push yourself. Have fun with the little orgasm machine.
I'm not on here.
You don't know how sick I feel right now? You don't know how sick I feel?
Really?
No, seriously, after thinking about that, after just seeing a big roast dinner, fucking feel like I'm going to puke it everything up.
How did we do that?
And scene.